Well, as you might guess it, it's been about a week, and now my number 8 cylinder has a misfire, and I think I can do this. It's like right there. I think I can do this without removing the plenum. I'm gonna try. What's it take? 5 extra minutes, but I'm gonna try just to see if it can be done, and I'll let y'all know how difficult it is or whatever. But it looks like I can get right to it. Also, looks like I could probably get to number 5. It's right there, tucked underneath. Could probably get to it without removing that that plenum pipe. So we'll see. And now she's getting all dirty. Oh well. It's time for a bath anyway. All right. Got my old trusty extension and all out here, and ratchet. You know what? I'm gonna get a longer extension. I ain't gonna fight with it. All right. Got the long one. Should have got the big one. I remember from last time, can't just leave that bolt in there and pull out the whole thing. I gotta take the bolt all the way out because it'll hit. But yeah, there. Say we'll get it. Look at that. Okay. Push that little tab. All right, I ended up pulling the whole thing out because I couldn't push that tab with my finger for some reason. I'm gonna set this camera down, push that, and get it right out. All right, got my new one. I already put a little bit of dielectric grease in there. Fits right in there nicely. Just need to get the bolt and put it in there. I'm gonna go ahead because I'm on the verge of dropping it. I'm gonna get my grabbers for that. Alrighty. spin this bolt to get it started. Alright, that's all we need. Plug it in, we're good to rock and roll. So it wasn't any hassle at all doing it without taking the plenum off. Another 15-minute job. What I'm going to do now though is I'm going to come over here. Got to go get the wrench for it, but I'm gonna come over here and disconnect the battery for 15 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna erase all my radio frequency, whatever presets. But I didn't do that last time, and that, like I said, that was a week ago that number 6 went out, and this time when it started running bad again, when it started misfiring, I'm waiting for the code to come through. And I keep checking it, and all I see is number 6, number 6, number 6. So I'm clearing the codes this time where I don't have any lingering around, and I get a true reading next time. I wound up on the app. I got the sync up drive, and I wound up on the app having number 6 and number 8 show up. So I'm thinking number 6 is not still bad, or not bad again, because I just replaced it. Unless I got a bad unit. I could got a bad coil pack. It happens. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just leave number 8 there, clear my trouble codes, and we'll see. If not, I have a whole pack of them. I could change them all out if I want, but call it laziness or call it frugalness. I don't know what you want to call it, but they're not bad yet. Why change them? I'm getting my money's worth out of them. Alright, I'm going to disconnect that battery now for 15 minutes. Alright, I went and got my 5/16 wrench. Disconnecting the negative. The reason you disconnect the negative is because you don't stand the chance of hitting any metal, like hitting this metal here and arcing it out. Whereas if you were doing the positive, you'd have to make sure you didn't touch anything that was grounded. So that's the whole purpose for that. But do what you want. I've removed the positive before, and just been real cautious. What I normally do if I'm removing a positive lead, I can't get to the negative, is I'll cup my hand over any metal surface that it might come in contact with, so I break the connection. But whatever. I always tuck my cable out of the way because it's got that muscle memory effect where it'll come right back over and touch the ground. So I'm gonna leave it like this 15 minutes and go have a Mountain Dew or a Coke, and I'll be back. Well, no Mountain Dew, but I got a Sprite. That was good enough. Okay, been 15 minutes. This car, every time I connect the battery back, the radio comes on. I don't really understand that. It's the first car I've ever had that's done that. Sometimes the alarm will come on, and you'll have to turn it off with the remote control. Just unlock the doors. It'll turn the alarm off normally, but this one here, the radio comes on. Stays on until you unlock the, open up the door, and then it goes off. So, all right, that's done. Let's see what it sounds like now. A little bit dirty. It's a work car. I use this thing every day. Every day until I have a misfire.
Solidarity.
Nice and smooth. Yep. Well, we're good again. So I'm up to what, three new coil packs. So we'll see how the other ones last. The last card that I had was a Crown Vic. I think I changed 4 or 5, and then none of the other ones ever went bad. Matter of fact, I sold the car, and the guy I sold it to, he's never had any coil packs go bad. So, go figure. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. That's all my videos are intended for, to help somebody. And I like all the comments, so if you want to leave a comment, leave it. I really appreciate all the comments, and if it helped you, definitely leave me a comment, because I'd like to hear about it. You know, I'm only showing people what I do. I'm not telling you to do it, but if you choose to and it works out for you, then let me know. All right, this is Double Trouble Garage, and thank you. Until next time, God bless.